Tired of lag or want to play with friends overseas? Let's quickly change your Rainbow Six Siege matchmaking region. First, launch Rainbow Six Siege. From the main menu, look for the settings icon. It's usually in the top right corner. Click on it. In the settings menu, navigate to the General tab. This is where most of the basic game settings are located. Scroll down within the General settings until you find an option called Data Center Selection. It might also be labeled as Matchmaking Region. Click on the drop-down menu under Data Center Selection. A list of available regions will appear, such as North Europe, West US, East Asia and others. Choose the region you want to switch to. Keep in mind that selecting a region far from your actual location may increase your ping and cause lag. East US is selected in this instance. After selecting your desired region, a message will appear saying you need to restart the game for the changes to take effect. Close the game completely and relaunch it. The next time you search for a match, you will be connected to the data center you selected. Enjoy gaming in your preferred region.